Hello and welcome everyone to our YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing great. My name is Pinaki Bhattacharya and today I have with me a very special guest, R. Ashwarya. Ashwarya has cleared 2019's TCS NQT and she will be sharing her interview experience with us today. I know for many of you TCS is like a dream company. So tell us Ashwarya, how was TCS for you and what was the recruitment process?
So, hi guys, I'm Aishwarya. And secondly, about TCS, yeah, TCS is a dream company. Uh, and TCS, we had our firstly, we had a registration process which was in June. It was pretty early compared to other companies. And secondly, we had a hall ticket was issued in July. And then we had our exams in August, the last year. And yeah, that's it.
So what were the sections of the test? What was basically asked in the test?
In the test, we had first part was English MCQ, which were 15 questions, and then we had aptitude 15 questions, and then we had programming logic MCQs, which was 10 questions, and then we had a coding question, and total it was a 90-minute test.
Can you give any example of coding questions like what they will basically ask?
It will be from the easy to the medium level, not like tough level, and it will be like mostly it will be regarding you can guess like factorial, and it will be
Okay,
regarding keywords identification, string operations,
okay,
and numerical calculations, APGP. Yeah,
okay. That means basic C questions,
yeah.
which we have learned in PCD
And the
subject.
language you can choose like C or Java or Python or any language you're comfortable with.
Okay, so what were the books, study material, or websites that you have referred for preparation?
Books, not in particular, but yeah, I have referred like many YouTube channels. I have referred a
Can you
channel,
name some?
yeah, channel BTech, one channel, and
Okay,
second is Prep Insta. So
okay,
for this now, for the current batch, Prep Insta is going live every day for the
okay,
current batch. Yeah, so 1.5 hour live every day, and they are training the students regarding this TCS and QT.
okay,
And one more channel, it was Conjura Online. Yeah.
okay. Yeah, Contour online.
Yeah. And apps I would refer for interview sake, not for preparation, but for the interview sake, apps are like HR interview app for the HR team, and CSIT for technical interview apps.
Okay.
Yeah.
So was there any sectional cutoff?
No, there was no sectional cutoff, but yeah, it depends on the number of people performance. Like,
Okay.
yeah,
So was it a telephonic interview or an on-site interview?
it was an on-site interview.
So can you tell our viewers what are the documents that you carried for the interview?
The documents is just the basic. It will be good if you prepare a file wherein you have all the Xerox copies of your 10th, 12th, and whatever engineering marks cards you have, and then your resume, the main important thing. Yeah,
Yeah.
and, and the remaining basic. If you have any certificates, then you can carry those. But the mandatory things are 10th, 12th, and engineering marks cards and the resume. And you have a document verification when you go for the interview. There you'll have a
Okay.
document verification. So you have to carry those.
That means before interview there will be a document verification, right?
Yeah, they'll tally your marks from those Xerox papers, and they will calculate there so that it will match the cutoff. The cutoff is 60%, and they'll check for
Okay.
the backlogs also. So if
Okay.
they match, they'll allow for the interview, or else they'll reject straight away from there.
Okay. So what was the technical interview questions that were asked for you?
Technical interview, it was firstly, I was asked to introduce myself about me based on my resume, not the personal things, like what work I have done. Yeah. And in that, they asked many questions regarding my mini project, which was my DBMS project. And many questions were on my final year project. And if and even questions were related to DBMS, mostly SQL queries and DBMS questions, like what
Can
is
you
the
give some example?
yeah, like what is DDL, TCL, DML, and
Okay.
explain those and give examples for that, and mostly OOPS concept,
Okay.
inheritance, and all those things. And yeah, and coding. I was asked to write coding.
Okay. So
So
what was the coding question for you?
it was okay, pretty easy level. I mean, easy to medium level. Like I was asked to write matrix multiplication, 3x3 matrix multiplication code,
Okay.
and after that, I was asked to write odd even.
Okay. So how long was your interview?
Technical interview was around 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay. Then after that, HR interview, right?
Yeah. After that, waited for
Okay.
5 minutes. Then HR interview for 20 to 25 minutes.
So if you will qualify technical interview, then there will be a HR interview.
Yeah, you have to
Okay. So
wait. If
what were the questions asked in HR interview?
HR interview was, I guess, the pretty tough one for me because
Okay.
firstly there were four panelists, and
Four.
they asked, yeah, four panelists, and I was asked. Firstly, I was asked to introduce myself not based on my resume,
Okay.
the personal things, and then I was asked many questions like what are your strengths, weaknesses, and little bit about the company, what are my aspirations, and many things related technical stuff. Yeah, many things related to technical in the HR interview.
In
Like
HR
I,
also they are asking about technical.
yeah, yeah, they asked me, like they literally asked everything about my final year project, and
Okay.
what are the technologies I'm using in the final year project, and
Okay.
how was my technical interview? Was I able to answer all my questions in the technical interview? Yeah,
So
all.
what did you mention in your strengths and weaknesses?
Yeah, this stuff I was helped by Riyaz sir. Like he asked me like not to answer some basic which all people answer. In strength, I have answered like I have like I'm very ambitious, that I achieve what I dream. And in weakness, I had mentioned like lazy. So I was cross questioned that what time I woke up that day. So I told 5 a.m. and they were like, so I don't think you're lazy.
Okay. Okay, so by the way, I would like to tell our viewers that Mr. Riaz Ahmed is the founder and CEO of Career Babes. And so moving on to Aishwarya now. So Aishwarya, what will be your suggestion for the upcoming batches? Can you give any tips and tricks for preparation?
Yeah. Tips and tricks is that prepare for the online test point of view, then you have to prepare for whatever your strong point is. For example, I was a little bit weak in apti for my
Okay,
in my case, so I prepared mostly for English, which was 15 questions and most programming logic. I was quite good in programming logic, so I had prepared for English. And the main thing in TCS beauty exam, there is negative marking, and so answer whichever you know. Like don't try to mark all the questions, and unnecessarily your marks will be deleted. So there is negative marking. Note down this point. This is very important because many of my friends were not able to clear because there was negative marking. So read
okay,
the
okay,
instructions carefully. When first screen will be the instruction screen. So read them carefully, and then yeah. So concentrate on your strong point. Don't focus on your weak points. You can solve if you can solve them. Try there, or else no problem. Just mark whichever you know. And coding, it is based on the test cases, number of test cases you pass. So there is no negative marking in coding. So you can attempt the coding, and as many as test cases you pass, you will get the marks. Like for one test case, you'll be marked as 5 marks or 10 marks. I don't know
okay,
exact marking. Yeah. So if you pass, not there will be four test cases. It is not necessary that you pass all four test cases. If you pass one or two, also you'll be getting some marks.
okay. So
So
basically TCS will hire for two roles, right?
yeah,
So can you explain the difference between both the roles to our viewers?
the first one is Ninja, which is the lower package one,
Okay,
and which most of the people will be able to clear.
okay,
It, this Ninja can be attempted by all colleges, and the
okay,
second one is Digital, which is the higher package one, and it is for like if you want to directly attempt Digital, then you have to be from the premium colleges. Premium colleges, I mean Anna University or LPU. So you
Okay.
can directly attempt digital without attempting Ninja. If you're from the normal college, then you can first attempt Ninja, and if you top in the Ninja, then you can go. I mean, they will give the result that you should attend. Yeah, you can attend digital. So from that Ninja score, you'll be able to attend digital.
Okay. So how has life changed after placements?
Life has changed. I don't think so. It is pretty same. Like, yeah, life may change after joining, not now.
Okay.
Yeah, but yeah, it is. I'm happy that I'm placed and have a secure job. Yeah,
Okay. So your training has already started, right?
yeah.
So which are the domains in which you are getting trained?
So they have given common training. Uh, Firstly, like from the month of November or October, we have given common training for all branches. In that, they were included the topics like Java, Python, .NET, and very recent technologies such as machine learning, IoT, and artificial intelligence, big data, all these. Now, after the lockdown period, like the role-specific training is started. So I have
Okay.
been trained in SAN, that is storage area networks, networking, and yeah, pretty much all these operating system, DBMS, SQL, all these things. Yeah, backend.
So would you like to leave any message for our viewers?
For viewers, yeah. So prepare well, guys, because this is a very important phase of your life. And yeah, for the interview, yeah, for the test point of view, I have instructed what to do and what not to do. And for interview point of view, just be yourself. That is, be honest and be confident. And rest all you can manage there. The nothing rocket science will be asked there. The things which you know, they'll make you feel comfortable, and things which you know will be asked. Most of the things you'll be knowing. So if you don't know the answer, don't get scared. You can try for some time and you can say that you don't know. There is nothing wrong in that. Nobody will be knowing everything. So just be confident and don't get scared and don't feel nervous in front of them, because they can read your face, and they can understand by your expressions also that you're nervous or you're not confident enough and everything. And the main thing is be honest. They can read your face. That is, if you lie, you look somewhere else and answer. That if you are honest, then you look into their eyes and answer. That thing they catch. So be honest in whatever you say. So that's it.
Okay, so I would like to thank Aishwarya for joining with us today, and I
Thank
would
you.
also like to wish Aishwarya the very best for your future career. And special thanks, obviously, to our viewers watching us. It's bye from both of our sides. Stay safe, stay indoors, and all the best for your future.